So this is a Gavotte in D. Let's go. So make sure those grace note, it sounds like a 16th note. One more time, start up bow. So when you do the trill, you do start from the note, so the F sharp. The rhythm is, so don't play too long. Measure 10. Okay. Ready, go. So make sure you play the octave in tune. So 4. Okay, they should sound the same. Here we go. If you can't play the trill real fast, just do a turn. Okay? I would like to talk about, it's a trill plus 2 grace notes. It's actually 5 notes. So you go, so it's C sharp, D, C sharp, B, C. Okay. This is the Gavotte second half. Ready, go. Make sure you see the accent. Okay, ready, one more time. The 2/8 followed by a quarter, make sure you do rotation between the frog and the tip. Tip, frog. Section, there's a double stop. You don't have to do it at the beginning, so you can just play, or you can add the C sharp, but make sure you hold the second finger down, okay? Repeat to the beginning as da capo.